shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 21st, 2020. We are going to start with the SPY. Yeah, we are having a nice lift this morning. Above all those dark pool prints, we're going to be bullish above 327.50. That's the next major increment level above us. Let's see if we can go above that. Bearish below 326 just for a retracement trade. Yeah, a lot of these are retracements. Back down to support. Most of them are the 4 exponential moving average. Yeah, which is this pink line on my daily chart. You can see every time these stocks have gone far, retracement, retracement, all right? Retracement, cha-ching. Retracement. See that? Yep. So that would be that retracement trade. All right, let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, bullish above 32.72.50. Bearish below 32.57.50 for a retracement trade. Let's go to the Russell. We're going to be bullish above 148. You can see we've tested that pre-market. I look at that pre-market activity. And we're going to be bearish below 147.50 for a retracement trade. Let's go to the QQQs. Bull above 270. And bear below 267.50 for a retracement trade. The NASDAQ futures, we're going to be bullish above 11,075. Bear below 10,975 for a retracement. And let's head on over to the oil. Oop, hold on, the oil pit. All right. Now, this is the first time actually I've seen oil go up pre-market with very light volume gapping. Yeah, usually, as you know, I show you this. It's been solid. Yeah, so this is a quite gappy for the oil. We're going to be bullish above 42. All right, and we're going to be bearish below 41.48. All right, below here, if we do start to move down for a retracement trade for the oil. Now let's go to gold, my favorite. Gold and silver. Yeah, loving this trade. Gold, look at that. We hit that trend line again. Yep, I sent this out a while ago. See the upper trend line weekly chart? I've been talking about this for a long time. I drew these lines, oh gosh, a really long time ago. And you can see we've just hit that. Yep, it's the second time actually that we've hit it. We hit it 2 weeks ago. And we popped down. So let's see if we forge ahead there. Things can get spicy in the gold futures. Yeah, 1900. Yep, 1900 is my next big major. And we might test these highs from 2011, 1923.70. Oh, it's a big possibility. Dark pool coming in really, really heavy in gold and silver. And so, yeah, love this trade. All right. Let's just get to the individual stocks. Let me just move this over. All right, let's start with Big Blue, IBM. This is my first stock that I ever owned. I actually still own it. If you read my book, you know, my grandma Rosie bought me 1 share when I was born. It doubled and split, but it got me interested in the stock market. Yeah, I used to watch that every time the newspaper came. I would look it up and see it was up a half, down 3/8, up 7/8, up $1.50, down. It just got me watching the market and learning how stocks move. And I loved it. I felt like I owned something. I felt so important, because I owned a couple shares because it did split quite a few times, but still, yeah, still love it. So bullish above 134. That's how we're going to trade it today. Bear below 131.25 for IBM. Let's go to USO because USO is heating up again. This used to be in my Whisper Oh boy, every morning. Yeah, but the volume is starting to finally come in again. 30 is a really key level. 30, 20. Yep, those two levels are good for entries. Bear below 28.70. We did have dark pool, a big level there not too long ago. So only if we go below that will I be bearish. Let's go to WKHS. And by the way, thank you, Pinky, for calling out these stocks this morning. You made my job so easy. All I had to do was map them out. So really appreciate that. We look for pre-market volume. That is our secret. That tells me where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. So appreciate that. Bull above 1750, bear below 1650 for workhouse. Let's go to Nikola. Nikola, today, are we going to retrace? Yeah, we held on yesterday. It was a great short below 40, 38. There were buyers there yesterday. And we've moved up. So I will be bullish above 41 this morning, bear below 39, and then watch that 38 level carefully. If we don't hold that, look out below. Let's go to Tesla, Mavita. Mavita called a good one yesterday. Love it. Bullish above 1700 today. That's a really key level. Thank you, Paul, for mapping that one out for me this morning. I did change this bear below level, though, to 1650. Just wanted to give it a little bit more room for a downside trade. There are a couple Camarillas in there, but your level was amazing. Nothing wrong with that 1680 level. AMD, bullish above 58.50 and bear below 57.50 for AMD. Earnings, right? We have earnings on AMD coming up, you guys. Hold on. Oh, we spotted a buyer on Tesla at 1684. Yep. Oh, hold on. I'm just opening up my my Tastyworks. Oh, July 28th. Thank you, E-Man. Yeah, I didn't open up my Tastyworks yet. Up here it comes. Yeah. So just be careful of that. Earnings. 1 second. Just open up my software. Earnings are coming out. MU should be rocking for you guys. Yeah, MU, nice job on MU. This was in my dark pool insights. A lot of traders in the Java pit got into this swing last night, so excellent. Volume quite not there yet, but it's above all those prints and looking amazing. All right, let's go to Microsoft. That's another whisper this morning. Bullish above 215, really big level. 215. I did spot a seller at 216. Let's see if he's still there. Sometimes they move around, so it's really good. Go ahead. Oh, I don't see him right now, but he was there before. We're not going up higher enough. They pulled back. Yeah, but he wanted to sell there. Bear below 212 for a retracement trade. All right, let's go to silver. I can't say enough about this. I blogged it, tweeted it. We're trading it in the Java pit. It was a swing call yesterday in the Whisper. And yeah, I still love it. 1987 was my last target today. But again, if you saw my blog, I have a very high-end target on silver all the way up to 26. Yeah, this area is going to be resistance. Short squeeze is on. There's huge short interest. A lot of people were short. I don't know why they were shorting this yesterday. I guess they missed this move, but yeah, stick with the dark pool, guys. Just follow the prints. Let's go to Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola earnings are good this morning, or the stock likes it. Bullish above 47.25. Bearish only below 46.20. Lot of room to go up to right here, you guys. Here's major resistance, 48.50. We have the 120 simple moving average and the 161 exponential moving average. Those are amazing. There's big sellers probably loaded up there, so that would be a good place to get out before that. We'll see. And then if we do go above that, wow, 50 would be our next target on Coca-Cola. So, and we've had dark pool prints at 45.10, so we're above that. Let's go to Neo. Neo is a huge winner in the JavaPit trading room. Nice trading on this one yesterday, guys. You guys rocked this. Bullish above 14 today. Bear below 13.20 for Neo. And XLF. Yeah, we have to watch XLF. I watched it all day. Almost made a trade, but I held back, waiting for confirmation. We had a massive 9 million print at 24.10. I wanted to close strong above that, above 24.20 for a swing trade on the long side. You can pick all different banks. You don't have to trade XLF. Pick the strongest bank, all right, if that happens. And then bearish below 23.80. Yeah, if it closes weak below that, I would go short, but pick the weakest bank. All right, those are my tips for you today. Those are the whispers. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.